Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Etsy discount and the giveaway for the video that I did on showing you that I had a 15% discount at my store, which is Amy's Creative Creations. All links for the store and everything are listed down below. Um, Everything's 15% off. You just come here, and as you can tell, it's already discounted off. There's mugs, and they're different sizes, 11 ounces and 15 ounces. Then there's the hooker bag, 3 different sizes, and then I have one heart pattern, which I may in the future put more patterns on here. I've just been too busy with other things on my channel. Okay, so the winner, when I choose you, congratulations, and you get to pick 2 skeins of yarn from here, and I'll send it right out to you. Just give me your information. My email is listed down below, so you get to pick 2. So the winner, you come over here, the link is down below. It will say Amazon yarn, and then there's different colors, as you can tell, and these colors are really pretty, and I'll send it out to you. All you need to do is just tell me which color. If you come over here, then you can just tell me, oh, I want the slate or the snow. As you can tell, the color comes up right there. If you click on it, then it'll come right up, like blackberry. Okay, so that link is down below. And anybody that wants to check out my 15% off for Etsy during the holidays, that's down below. Then the Amazon for the basic stitch yarn. Just pick 2. So let's see who the winner is. It's Paula D. I purchased one of your hooker bags as a project bag. Thank you for the giveaway opportunity. Congratulations. Now, please contact me down below. Tell me which 2 colors of skeins of yarn you would like. Just click on that link that's down below. Everybody, I have a 15% off for a couple more weeks in my store. And I had to pick a winner that purchased something because those were the rules. I do want to say, everybody, thank you for purchasing something for my store. I appreciate it. And I just want to say thank you, everybody, for subscribing. And Paula D., please contact me. And thank you for watching.